So Xavier, first up, I looked at GJ before and decided to go back and make a new chart on Gbpjpy because of the price action. I like the price action, so I'm looking out for a buy opportunity for GJ. So I have to go back and see where to wait. So I have an idea of where to wait for Gbpjpy. So the price action starts from 1987, where you've seen price create a 2RS structure and break of that RX level followed by a retest. And after break of that demand floor, turned it to a supply roof RT1 and came back RT2 in 2007. The first retest was in 1992 and it came back in 2007 to retest that level. And in the future, if GJ comes there, here is remains your top supply roof in the future. This is your top supply roof in the future. Then shortly after that, the market dropped and also created a downward structure, which the market leveraged on SR1, SR2, SR3, SR4. And in 2012, buying has commenced after price forming a doubly structure. It has left. Now, why is this area important to me? You see, trading is technical. It's not just demand and supply. It's very, very technical. So this is most notable bearish drop after this. The most notable bearish drop after this one is this. So I'm looking at the price action because for price to have returned here, it signifies a retest or a rejection by a supply structure, either ascending or horizontal. So when you look back on your line charts on a monthly time frame, you find here demand floor, break of a demand floor, break of a supply roof, break of a demand floor. Price respected it as a supply roof, and the break of a supply roof becomes demand floor 1, demand floor 2, demand floor 3. If you look critically, you will see here structure. There is a price action of a support at this level, and break of that support level returns here as a supply roof, RT1, and price came back here RT2 and respected the structure. And when you look again, you will see a head and shoulder chart pattern, a breakout of the neckline came here as retest 1, came here as retest 2, came here as retest 3, and you've got a break of structure. So the price action of GJ is giving a buy vibes. It's giving a buy vibes. So let's look at it on a weekly time frame for better clarity. So now you see why market sold at that level. So it's not a coincidence. It's not a coincidence. It's a retest, a third retest to a broken demand floor. That was why you see market have sold at that level. So it's not a coincidence. So on a weekly time frame, I think we now understand and appreciate. Let's go to daily so that we're in more terms of clarity. On a daily time frame, we have an ascending trend line here. Demand floor 1, demand floor 2, demand floor 3, demand floor 4. Break of a demand floor, price came here, retest RT1. Putting here as a future supply roof. And a break of a previous high. So if price returns here, you expect a sell on this roof. So to further understand and for better clarity, you'll see that we have a rejection at this level, also signifying a breakout structure. And when price return here, it has respected it. So as we are swinging to break out from this descending trend line, connecting 2024 November, December 2024, and May 2025, we have a breakout, but not evident. So we want a daily candle, a valid and visible daily candle close above that level. So if we manage to get a visible candle close above that structure, Then we'll come back to retest October high at 199,443. 199,443 will be retested. As the next supply roof, and a break of that structure will be a more confirmation for long. So where we expect to leverage on it and return back to where we're going to sweep sell idea like we did in July 2024. So, and if they fail to break from here, which I think is very unlikely, we're already on ascending trend line on daily. You can see the ascending trend line on daily. So there's a possibility that as the market opens, we'll continue to trade. And if we trade above here, we'll reject this area, then break out the structure and continue up, so that we can close up this sell gap initiated in July 2024. So I think GJ is on a buy side. On a daily, we have a very strong confirmation on daily. Just we have a little immediate supply, which you can see from your line charts. You'll see price create here a supply roof, break of a supply roof, demand floor 1, demand floor 2. These are SR level 1, SR level 2. Break of SR level becomes ROS, and this is the second ROS, and this is the third one, and also a retest candle. So this level has been tested 3 times. So the next one I expect to break the structure, where we'll come here to seek redress and then come back. So this is my observation about this. So if you have a divergent view, let's know what you think. Let's know what you think. Let's know what you think on daily. So let me know your thoughts from the comment section, what you think.